Let's continue to track phase 3 of this election. Very interesting fight also today goes to the polls in the beautiful state of Maharashtra. Viewer, 11 seats up for polling today in Maharashtra. It's a 5-phase election in the state of Maharashtra, which carries the second largest number of seats after Uttar Pradesh in the Lok Sabha. 4 went to the BJP the last time, 4 went to the Shiv Sena as it stood the last time, and the NCP had 3. There are many heavyweight candidates as well in this particular phase of the election, and all eyes are going to be in them, starting with Supriya Sule, who's currently polling in Baramati. I'm going to take you to those live images in just a bit. It's a big Baramati battle between the Pawars, the family, the NCP of Ajit Pawar and the NCP of Sharad Pawar. Who's going to win? Sunetra, the wife of Ajit Pawar, taking on Supriya Sule, the sister versus the wife. Narayan Rane of the BJP from Ratnagiri, Sindhudurg, former Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Anand Gite of the Shiv Sena, Uddhav Balasaheb Thackeray from Raigad in Maharashtra. All of these are the big heavyweights who will be in the fray today. I'm going to take you first through the state of play in Maharashtra in these 11 seats before we take you to live images coming in from Baramati and the Pawar family that is voting. The Mahayuddh in Maharashtra is very much what's happening. Voting on 11 of 48 seats in Maharashtra. These are live images coming in from Baramati, the highest profile seat of Baramati near Pune. Also, Satara and Kolhapur are in top focus today. Early morning, Maharashtra's Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar cast his vote. Also, actors Ritesh Deshmukh, Janelia, along with their mother, arrived to cast their vote. But these are images of Supriya Sule, the sitting MP from Baramati, standing in queue to cast her ballot. She takes on her sister-in-law, Ajit Pawar's wife, Sunetra Pawar, in the high-profile constituency of Baramati. In Satara and Kolhapur, 2 descendants of Maratha King Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj are fighting the electoral battle. But I want to put the focus for the moment on Baramati because this is by all means the most interesting potboiler this election. Baramati, not very far from Pune, has been a Pawar bastion and stronghold for decades together. Sharad Pawar, the patriarch of the NCP, has seen his party, the party he built from the ground up, be divided with the departure of his nephew Ajit Pawar, whose wife now has taken on her sister-in-law Supriya Sule. So it's sister versus wife as far as Ajit Pawar is concerned. A family battle that is playing out in the full public glare in Baramati.
हर चुनाव में जो भी कैंडिडेट रहते हैं उनके प्रचार के लिए जो कार्यकर्ता काम करते हैं, जो पार्टीज काम करती है, उसको सबको लगता है कि हमारा ही कैंडिडेट जीत के आएगा। अभी तो शुरुआत है, अभी 6 बजना बाकी है शाम के। 6 बजने के बाद कितना परसेंटेज वोटिंग होता है वो सब देखना पड़ेगा, लेकिन मुझे भरोसा है आप भी देखेंगे कि लोग हमारे कैंडिडेट के पीछे खड़े रहेंगे।
जिस तरह से 2 महीने से मैं घूम रही हूँ लोकसभा मतदार संघ में, दिखाई दे रहा है कि लोगों में बहुत एक गुस्सा है बीजेपी के खिलाफ, क्योंकि जो उन्होंने प्रॉमिस किए थे वो डिलीवर नहीं कर पाए। तो आज लोकशाही की जीत होगी। हम काम पे भर देते हैं और काम जो शोलापुर दुष्काल मुक्त होना चाहिए, शोलापुर में पानी आने चाहिए, रास्ते होने चाहिए, विमान सेवा होनी चाहिए, आईटी पार्क और युवकों के लिए नौकरी की संधि आनी चाहिए, लोड शेडिंग मुक्त होना चाहिए और किसान जो सबसे अफेक्टेड किसान है उनके लिए बहुत सी चीजें करनी है।
ये तो मैंने तो अभी बोला कि लोकशाही का उत्सव है और इस उत्सव में सब हमारे नागरिक सहभागी होते हैं और मुझे पूर्ण विश्वास है कि इस वोटिंग में हमारी लोकशाही प्रबल रहेगी और हमारा लोगों का स्थान भी बढ़ेगा और सब सर्वधर्म समभाव जिंदा रहेगा।
But let's go straight back from Sholapur to Baramati, because that's where the action, the visible action really is. It's a family soap opera that's been playing out for many months, and today the fates are going to be sealed between Supriya Sule and Sunetra Pawar, both members of the Pawar clan, as it were, and their fates will be decided. Sharad Pawar, the patriarch of the original NCP, casting his ballot in these live pictures coming in from Baramati. His daughter Supriya Sule standing by his side as he completes the ballot process inside that polling booth. Let's just listen into the slogan hearing for Sharad Pawar. Okay, let me bring in India Today's Vidya, joining us live from outside this polling booth in Baramati. Vidya, give us the state of play. Big family drama, Pawar versus Pawar in Baramati. Their fates will be decided today by the voters.
In fact, Shiv, I've been speaking to a lot of supporters of the Pawar family here, and they are certainly in a fix as to who should they really vote for. In fact, many of them actually expressing that this is a very sad situation where they really have to choose between which of the Pawar that they'll be voting for. Well, some have actually decided already. Many that I was speaking to, because Sharad Pawar was right coming in here, they said that they will be voting for his trumpet, while there will be, some supporters of Ajit Pawar also saying that the clock will be the one which will emerge the winner. But right now you can see Sharad Pawar leaving this polling booth here with Supriya Sule, and trying to, now they'll be heading to the polling booth where Supriya Sule and her daughter and the rest of the family members, about 10 or 11 of them, who will be casting their vote at the polling booth in Baramati. It is a little distance away from here. This is almost after many years that actually Sharad Pawar is casting his important vote here in Baramati. He used to actually earlier do it in Mumbai, but this time around he's changed his address, his voting here in Baramati, and now after casting his vote he'll be leaving, and now it will be the turn of Supriya Sule and others to make sure that they are able to cast their vote. The family members were waiting for Sharad Pawar to complete his voting so that they could go and cast their vote. Let me try to speak to Mr. Sharad Pawar. Mr. Pawar, Mr. Pawar.
जरा हाथ संभाला था, बाईचा हाथ आणि पाय संभाला. बाईचा हाथ आणि पाय संभाला.
Sir, Mr. Pawar, what do you think, sir? Will the Tutari or the clock, which one will win, sir? Not really going to speak, but this is Supriya Sule.
पाय सांभाळा, पाय सांभाळा.
आजोबा तिचा हात आहे.
तिचा हात. Watch your hand and your legs. You'll hurt yourself. Please watch it. संभाळा, पाय सांभाळा, पाय सांभाळा, पाय सांभाळा.
Supriya, do you think your Tutari will make it?
Just watch your hand and watch your legs. You'll hurt yourself.
Well, she didn't say. Well, that was Supriya Sule. Now she's heading to the polling booth, where she will be trying to make sure that she and her rest of the family is able to cast their vote here in Baramati city, which is about a half an hour distance from here.
All right, thanks, Vidya. Take care. Watch your hand and watch your leg is what Supriya Sule's message is for journalists trying to get a soundbite out of both the sitting MP of Baramati and her father, Sharad Pawar. But, many more moments like that in the heat and dust of Indian elections right across the country, from Maharashtra to Gujarat to Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Karnataka. We've got reporters everywhere like Vidya who will be getting you the mood right there from the ground.